Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to read you the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And Maddie is going to help me, and she has little Goldilocks that she's going to hold through the story. So Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks was always searching for that just right kind of thing. But then one day she found herself a little lost, wondering. Walking down a wooded path, she just could not believe her eyes. Somehow, everything around was big or small or strange in size. "Oh dear," she said, "what is this place? It certainly does not seem right. I'd better find my way back home." But then she saw a hopeful sight. She spied a cozy little house, a quaint and comfy bungalow. The lights were on, and she knocked, cracked the door, and said, "Hello." Not yet. Just wait. Sit down. Look, we got to read to my students. From the kitchen, Goldie smelled some porridge that was oh so right. Her stomach growled. The house seemed bare, so she thought, "I'll just take a bite." Bowl one was hot. Not yet. Sit down. Oh, you see the picture of the bears. Yep, sit down. The next, too cold. The third bowl, yum. Yep. Was it the best? She ate it up and realized her feet could use a place to rest. Cover your mouth, baby. Bless you. Oh, let's get you a tissue. The chair she tried was much too big. The chair she tried was much too big. The next was too, but just a tad. And finally, the last one fit. She settled in and thought, not bad. But just as Goldilocks was thinking that this chair could be just right, the whole thing cracked and fell apart. She tried to hide it out of sight. Uh-oh, she fell. Goldilocks was getting sleepy. And don't touch. As the day turned into night, she tried two beds, too hard, too soft. The third bed was, of course, just right. The bed was so fantastic that she fell asleep right there and then. But shortly after, 3 brown bears came back inside their cozy den. Uh-oh. Wait, let me turn just one page. You got to make it where they can see still. "Someone tried my porridge," cried a hungry, grumpy Daddy Bear. "Oh dear," said Mama Bear. "Mine too." Then Baby Bear said in despair, My porridge is all gone, and look, my chair's in pieces on the floor." "Our chairs were satin," Daddy howled, and they heard a quiet snore. Who's snoring, sissy? You can imagine their surprise to find a young girl fast asleep before Daddy Bear could growl. Mama said, "Don't make a peep. Let's just be nice and let her nap. She isn't harming anyone." Daddy said, "You're right, although we could surprise her just for fun." We're going to surprise her. Then Goldie woke and saw 3 bears, and boy, did that give her a fright. She jumped up and quick and ran. Yeah, the bears all laughed and called good night. Say good night.
Don't start the math on?
Yeah, it's nighttime. The lesson here, no matter if there's porridge bowls or comfy chairs, if they're not yours, leave them alone, or you might face some grumpy bears. Uh-oh, no grumpy bears. The end. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Thank you for reading with us tonight. Here's Goldilocks. She says bye-bye too. We miss you guys so much.
So much.